She asked me a question that I truthfully answered. She said, son, did you take time to know her? I said, mama, she's the best. But today it hurts me so much to go back to mama and say, mama, I'm getting divorced. Oh no, I'm getting divorced. This choice I made didn't work out the way I thought it would. This choice I made, I say, oh, this choice I made didn't work out the way I thought it would. This choice I made. Mama said to me, it's never easy to understand it, son, but I hope you'll make it. You'll be happy again. It's never easy to understand it, son, but I hope you'll make it. You'll be happy again. Hey! I remember in meeting when the elder man read his scriptures. You look so beautiful and so innocent. I did not know that behind that beauty lies the truth that you've been left hidden, that you'll destroy me in the near future.